Good morning, students. So today we are going to see 4th class term 1 English subject Golden Touch lesson continuation. So this is our lesson, the Golden Touch. We have seen the beginning story. So once again I'll repeat the lesson. So in a faraway Greece there once lived a king named Midas. He was very greedy man. Though he was rich, he wanted more money and gold. And then he met a wise man, and the wise man told the king that he could make a wish that would be fulfilled. So without pacing, the king said, I want everything I touch to turn to gold. So very well, the wise man said, from now onwards, whatever the king touched will turn into gold. And listening the wise man words, the king felt very happy. So first he touched a large stone in his garden. At once the stone changed into gold. And then he touched a red rose in his garden. They turned into shining gold. And when the King Midas saw that, he was very excited and very happy. He touched all flowers and plants and statues, and they all turned into shining gold. Now we'll continue our lesson. So he rushed into the palace and touched chairs, tables and vases. So after the garden, he again came into the palace and touched the chairs, tables and flower vases, and they all turned into gold. His wish had come true. Everything he touched turned into gold. So the king wish had came true, and everything he touched it became gold. I shall be the richest king in the whole world, thought Midas. So after seeing all things changing into gold, the king thought that he would be the richest king in the whole world. I am luckiest man on the earth, he said. Soon Midas grew hungry. He saw a bowl of fruits. After some time, the king grew hungry and he saw a bowl of fruits on the table. So he was hungry. He want to eat something. So he saw a bowl of fruits on the table. He wanted a ripe red apple. In the bowl of fruits, he want a ripe apple to eat. But the moment he touched, the apple turned into gold. So he wished that everything he touched should be turned into gold. So at that moment, the apple also turned into gold. Everything he tried to eat or drink turned into gold. Everything, the apples and water, everything turned into gold. Oh dear, said the king to the wise man. After all seeing this, he said to the wise man, oh dear, what a foolish man I am. I won't be able to eat or drink anything at all. After he said to the wise man that I am a foolish man because I can't able to eat anything or drink anything, because everything I touched is changing into gold. Just then his daughter came running into the room. After some time, the king's daughter came running into the room. Why are you sad, father? She said that, why are you sad, father? She asked, putting her arms around him. As soon as he hugged her, she was not a girl any longer. She became a golden statue. Here you can see, she is the daughter of a king, and she came putting her arms around him. So as soon as he hugged, she was not a girl any longer. She became a golden statue because the king touched her daughter and she became a statue. King Midas was shocked. He began to cry. After seeing that his daughter changed into golden statue, the king began to cry. The wise man appeared beside him again. Are not you happy with your gift? He asked. Then the wise man came and said, my majesty, are not you happy with your gift? He asked. Please take it away, begged Midas. After seeing his daughter, he said to the wise man that, please take away my wish. I don't want anything to be turned into gold. Give my daughter back to me. I have learnt a lesson. I promise that I will never be greedy again. He said to the wise man that I learnt a lesson. I promise that I will never be greedy again. The wise man took pity on the king. He cured him of his golden touch, King Midas was happy. He could enjoy eating. He also got his daughter back. After saying the king said, "I promise that I will never be greedy again." And listening to the king's words, the wise man took pity on the king and cured his golden touch. It means that he taken away his wish and everything became normal, and King Midas was very happy. He could enjoy eating. Now he can eat because everything he touched will not be turned into gold. He got his daughter back. So I hope you have understood the golden touch lesson. So in next class we'll see objective. Thank you.